Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these brown wicker baskets. These come super compact, but they're so easy to put together. So this is a set of 3 of them. They are 10.5-inch cubes. So here's one of them. To make them, all you do is pull it apart. Then you add this right at the base of it and push that down, and then you have yourself your basket. Super simple, really easy. I love how it has these nice little handles on it. So I'm gonna put all 3 of these together, and then we are gonna go place them around my room. So at the bottom of these, you can see they have a little insert right there, so that way you know that that's the side that's the bottom. And then you just put this in and push it down. And now we've got all 3 baskets. They look really nice. I love the pretty wicker on here, as you can see. And then on the bottom, you've got a nice solid surface because of that whole part pushing down in there. It's nice and snug, so as you push on it and pull on it, it's not collapsing in. So let's go place them around. So these can be used if you have like a nice little bench like I have here, or if you have a bookcase, anything like that. They slide in real nice. You just measure your area to make sure this will work. And you can put things like games, clothes. This will work in a closet, or you can put it on a shelf and have it out. And because of its size and how pretty it is, even if you just wanted to have this and just set it up on a table, maybe with some towels in a bathroom, that would work as well. These are a really cute set of 3 wicker baskets.